manufacturing in the UK continues to grow. As this manufacturing continues to grow, the demand for cable also grows. When these cables come to the end of life, a lot of people end up just putting all of these cables into the landfill. This is a problem for us here in the UK because the greenhouse gases from these landfills are a massive issue. They're causing detrimental effects onto our environment. Igus have their own revenue stream, which is 14001 approved, which is all of our electrical cables are recycled safely and in an environmentally friendly way. What we've decided to do to support our customers until they have their own recycling scheme is open up our cable recycling scheme. What that means is you can send in your cables to us and we will ensure that these cables are recycled in a safe way. With the revenue that we receive from recycling these cables, we will actually put that towards planting trees, and not just planting trees but also supporting these trees for the future, making sure that the nourishment for them future generations is also there as well, ensuring these trees will last a lifetime. If you'd like to get involved with this, or if you'd like to support our cause, then please contact us on the link below.